G'day everyone, Average Alexis here, hoping you're having a good one. And today, I'm going to be trying really hard not to sneeze. No! You guys don't want to hear me sneeze, it's really weird. Anyway, I'm going to be recreating the hairstyle of a character that is currently in a mobile game that I'm playing. I'm playing Harry Potter: A Hogwarts Mystery. And there is a character in there who has an absolutely interesting and fabulous hairstyle that I just figured I'd give it a go. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, please go look up the game Harry Potter: A Hogwarts Mystery. If you're a massive Potterhead like me, you're probably already playing it. I'm talking about Penny Haywood. Now her hair, she has blonde hair that comes to about here. So my hair, I'm already at a disadvantage. My hair's a bit shorter than what hers is. Ugh, excuse me. But I figured I'd try and recreate her hairstyle anyway, because it's a really cool one. Now, her hairstyle it's kind of a play on the whole half up, half down kind of thing. She's got half of her hair up, half of it down, but she has two plaits that sit here, and then another plait that goes into the ponytail here. So I'm gonna try and recreate it. I don't know what it's gonna look like. If it looks any good, let me know down in the comments below. If it doesn't, let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shift my stuff from the wrong side of the bench because I've done it again. Okay, second thing I'm gonna do, my hair's already pretty well brushed. I don't know what it's happening. I curled it a week ago and it's still this wavy, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm gonna brush my hair and place it the way I want it to. Now, looking at a picture of her hair, she has a very, not a deep part. Oh my gosh, excuse me guys. She has a part right about here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair. Okay, this is the point where I realized that the last time I had my hair cut, my hairdresser didn't cut that one piece of hair, so it's longer than everything else, and it bothers me. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to separate a piece of hair from the front here. Not too thick, but not too thin. My way of explaining things is atrocious, guys. And then I'm going to take some hair from about eyebrow level, I'm going to say that is, and I'm going to run my hands along it. And this is all very loose. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side, so about eyebrow level. And I'm gonna pull that back into a ponytail. Again, this character's hair is a lot shorter, a lot longer than mine, so this may not look exactly the way hers looks. I'm just gonna get some bits down here to kind of make this look pretty. Okay, so, my hair never ever wants to do what I tell it to do. So that's what the back of it looks like. Hope you guys can see. That's not the hair tie I would normally use for this, but whatever. So now I find the next easiest part to do is I'm just running my fingers through this bit. Now this bit is plaited and it's going to be pinned up into the ponytail. So go ahead and plait that really loosely. So you take your 3 strands of hair for a plait, or braid, whichever it is that you call it. I know some people call them differently. And you just, yeah, plait your hair. And you want to get as far down to the end as possible without having the little splits in your hair. So I think I'm not going to be able to get too much further because my hair is about to start going off because I need another haircut. Alright, and then you take a clear elastic, one of these ones, hope you guys can see it, and you tie off the end of the hair. The end of the braid plait thing. Alrighty, now I'm just going to go through and loosen this up a bit so it's not too neat. Alrighty, and once you've got your plait slash braid, again, whatever you call it, into the kind of shape that you want it to, it's just going to get pinned back into your hair. Now, if you have longer hair than what I do, it should be able to be wrapped around the ponytail at the back. However, my hair is short, so that's not gonna happen. So I'm just gonna pin that in as best as I can. Alrighty, now, I would normally try and pin that piece, but I'm gonna try and, yeah, no, I'm gonna pin it because that annoys me. Alright, and there you have it. So you would have, again, you could leave your hair like this because it doesn't look too bad, whereas my hair looks kind of terrible at the moment. So the next part to this, she has two, and I don't know that I'm going to be able to do this because my hair is really short. She has two plaits that sit down here. So I'm going to try my best. I'm going to take two sections of hair, and I'm going to take another hair tie and very loosely hold the rest of the hair back so that it's sectioned away from the braid plait thing. English, Alexis. All right, and I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna plait these bits here. Fingers crossed it doesn't look too atrocious. Alright, so I've done the two plaits. Again, my hair's probably a bit too short for this style, but take it out. Why does my hair do this? Oh, goodness me. I'm gonna try and pin that and see if it'll sit flat, but knowing my hair, the pinning's not gonna help. Oh, it helped a little bit, okay. But that, my friends, is my recreation of Penny Haywood's hairstyle from Harry Potter Hogwarts Mystery mobile game. Her hair definitely looks a lot better than mine. What is this bit doing? But I think without the two plaits, I would wear this hairstyle with just this one, because this one looks kind of cute. But, oh my god, what is happening right now? I promise you guys that her hair looks so much better than mine does. The plaits are a lot thicker and her hair's a lot longer than mine, but what are you gonna do? Short hair problems. But no, so Penny Haywood's hairstyle from the Harry Potter Hogwarts Mystery mobile game. This is the gist of it. If you have hair longer than me, then definitely try this hairstyle out. But that's a wrap for this video. Thanks heaps for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to, pretty please. Believe in yourself and be you, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys. I'm gonna go take, look at it. It's like Pippi Longstockings.